All right, thank you, Def, for that update. As we look into more of that, we will take a break here on KTN Prime. But before that, how about we look into Kenya's bold newspaper for tomorrow, the 27th. The Standard talks of a 2027 dress rehearsal. The country's 24 by-elections have morphed into a bruising proxy war between President William Ruto and his estranged deputy, ex-deputy Rigathi Gachagua, a battle for political survival. Disguised as a local contest, every ward and constituency has become a testing ground for 2027, with money, state machinery, and ethnic loyalties pulling in opposite directions. The outcomes could redraw alliances, unmask the depth of interference, and jolt the country's political architecture in ways that will echo far beyond these mini polls. And of course, the pictorial of the different candidates in the different by-elections that will be taking place. And a quote there from Douglas Kanja saying that there's a reiteration for peace, unwavering commitment to executing its duties impartially, professionally, and in strict adherence to the Constitution in order to facilitate a peaceful, free, fair, and credible electoral process. There is a quote from IG Douglas Kanja, also looking at a quote there on the front page of your bold newspaper. Kalonzo Musyoka, Wiper leader, says, "We have credible information that the serialization of 820,000 printed ballots were not done correctly and not properly inspected. This has created a dangerous loophole for ballot stuffing through extra or unaccounted for ballots." That's just a snapshot of what tomorrow's bold newspaper, The Standard, looks like as we head into those mini polls. Like I said, we'll take a break here on KTN Prime. There's more coming in from Ugunja with Daniel Karaoke and Cassie Poole with Bramwell Bwire. Don't go away. We'll be back after this break.